Yeah, so hashtag 1min1take vlog, and it's a little later. Just showing you down the street there and up the street. Pretty crazy today it is. And you're probably saying, what in the hell are you doing out for your time that's out here? Well, you know, I come out for a little bit of exercise every day, so Chewy had to come out and do his business a little bit ago, so I had to come down to get the paper at the head of the driveway. So I just took my good, sweet, old time, me and my walking stick, and we got down here, and we're going to get the paper now, and head back. And I think we're going to crawl back in bed for the rest of the day, because by the look of this, there ain't no one moving anywhere.